Hello. Now that we've understood what a selection rule is, in this lecture we will learn how to create one. To create a selection rule, we follow three steps. First, we create our product rule record of type selection. Then we set the error conditions. And this time, unlike for validation and alert rules, we don't stop here, we go further by adding actions. Let's say that your company wants to offer customers a free branded USB thumb drive as a promotional item whenever they buy an expensive monitor. To achieve that, we're going to create a selection rule. First, we start by creating our product rule record. So from your Salesforce CPQ, navigate to product rules and then hit new. Let's give our product rule a name, free USB thumb drive. And for the type, we choose selection. For the scope, we're gonna leave it on code. This way, you tell CPQ the rule should run when returning to the code line editor. For evaluation event, we're going to choose always. Remember, the combination between evaluation event and scope for selections is only applicable when the scope is product and the evaluation event is edit, product and save, or code and save. In our use case scenario, we're choosing code and always. Always is the safe choice, but it also means save. For conditions met, we're gonna select all. And this time we don't need a message. That's it. Right now we can hit save. Right now we created our product rule record that it's going to work as a container for the error conditions and actions. Second step is to create our error condition. So what we want to do is to create a condition where the USB thumb drive is free whenever our customers buy an expensive monitor. So under error condition, hit new. For tested object, select code line. When you create a code scoped rule, you have to make sure to test data that's available in the code context, such as code line data. The product option object wouldn't work as a tested object in this context, since the rule is meant to run outside the product configuration and in the code line editor. For the tested field, we're going to choose product code. And for the operator, starts with monitor. So we're going to choose starts with. For the filter value, we're going to choose value. And here we're going to enter our value, monitor. This way, our rule is going to run on any products within our database that starts with monitor. Now we can hit save. Right now, our rule will fire if the code contains a monitor count line, be it a 1080p monitor or a 4K monitor. Lastly, we need the action to add the USB thumb drive product. So under actions, hit new. For the type, we're going to choose add, since we want to add a product. For the product, look up and choose the USB thumb drive. Then you want to check required. This is a critical step. You have to check required. I will explain why in the demo phase. Then you click save. Right now, we can go back to our product rule record and activate it. Fantastic. Our rule is right now ready to test. In summary, we created a product rule of type selection that will run in the code line editor. We created a condition, so the rules runs only when the code has a code lines with a monitor product. And if the conditions are met, we have created an action that will automatically add a free USB thumb drive product to the code. In the next lecture, we will test and demo our selection rule live together. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and Master Salesforce CPQ today, Use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.